All right, so I got this 2005 Toyota Camry, god damn it, I cannot read today. Toyota Corolla in front of me. All right, did a push start conversion on it. I just had to make sure to get the back end so people would be like, what kind of car is that? It says it in the video, it says Corolla. All right. Oh, so the button's there. Like all the rest of them. One time radio comes on. 2 times. Everything else come on. Put on the brake. And everything else kick in. Put on the brake, hit it. Off. Everything. So, if you have one of these Toyota Corollas, I don't know why I keep saying Camry, because I got one. Don't worry about that, I'm finna cap that off. If you got one of these, it can be done. I didn't do the radio. Y'all did the radio? Yeah. Y'all did? Okay. The owner did the radio, so I can't take credit for that, and I ain't gonna take credit for it. So, 2003 to 2005 to 2008 Corolla, this body style can be done. That being said, auto impressions. I need a cigarette. I don't smoke. So I'm out.